What if the secret to fighting cancer is already in your kitchen? These 5 powerful spices don't just add flavor, they've been shown to help kill cancer cells. Stick with us. Number 3 is something you probably already use every day. And number 5 will surprise you. And don't worry, we'll show you how to use each spice in easy, tasty ways you'll love. Welcome to Cure with Food, your trusted source for natural health tips and cancer-fighting nutrition. If you're looking for simple, everyday ways to protect your body from cancer, this video is made just for you. Today, we'll talk about 5 powerful spices that researchers believe can slow down and in some cases even help destroy cancer cells. These are all natural, easy to find and even easier to use. Ready to take control of your health in the kitchen? Let's dive in. Spice number 1, turmeric. Our first super spice is turmeric, the bright yellow powder you've seen in curry dishes. The active compound in turmeric is called curcumin, and it's been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Research suggests that curcumin may slow the growth of cancer cells and even make them self-destruct, a process called apoptosis. Turmeric is especially useful against cancers of the breast, bowel, stomach, and skin. But here's the thing, curcumin isn't absorbed well on its own. That's why it works best when combined with black pepper, which boosts its absorption by up to 2000%. You can add turmeric to soups, scrambled eggs, scrambled smoothies, or golden milk for a healthy kick. Try mixing it with a bit of honey and warm water for a simple immune-boosting drink. Spice number 2, ginger. Next up is ginger. This spicy root has been used for centuries to treat nausea and digestive issues. But modern research shows ginger can also slow the spread of cancer cells, especially in the colon and ovaries. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogal, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds can block cancer growth signals and even reduce tumor size in some studies. Ginger also helps reduce chemotherapy-induced nausea, making it a favorite for cancer patients. Try slicing fresh ginger and adding it to hot water for tea, or grate it into stir-fries, juices, or salad dressings. You can also blend it into smoothies or soups for a spicy healing boost. Spice number 3, garlic. At number 3 is a household favorite, garlic. It's not just for flavor. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that forms when garlic is chopped or crushed. Allicin helps boost the immune system and has been shown to slow down or even stop the growth of certain cancer cells. And studies link garlic to lower risks of stomach, colon, and even breast cancer. It's also packed with sulfur-containing compounds that help detoxify the body and prevent cell mutations. For the best results, crush a clove and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates the cancer-fighting compounds. Add garlic to sauces, soups, and even roasted vegetables to get the full benefit. If you're enjoying this video, check out our recent video on the anti-cancer tea you need to drink. A simple daily drink with powerful health benefits. You'll be amazed at how one soothing tea can support your body's natural defenses. And don't forget, we've got 2 more amazing spices ahead. Number 5 is one you're probably using every day without realizing its powerful cancer-fighting effect. Spice number 4, cinnamon. Fourth on our list is cinnamon. Yes, the one you sprinkle on oatmeal or toast. But cinnamon is more than a sweet spice. It contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound that helps slow the growth of cancer cells and may even reduce blood supply to tumors. In lab studies, cinnamon extract has shown the ability to block the spread of cancer cells and reduce inflammation, It's also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is important because high sugar levels can fuel cancer growth. Add it to smoothies, teas, baked goods, or even savory dishes like stews for a warm, spicy health boost. Spice number 5. Black pepper. Last but not least is black pepper. This common seasoning contains piperine, which not only helps with digestion but also boosts the body's ability to absorb nutrients, especially curcumin from turmeric. Piperine itself has been shown in studies to have anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It works by slowing the duplication of cancer cells and may help reduce tumors. A small pinch in every meal can go a long way in protecting your health. Try it on salads, soups, or scrambled eggs to spice up your cancer-fighting game. You can even add it to smoothies and juices for a subtle kick. So those are 5 spices that may help your body fight cancer naturally. They're easy to add to your meals and come with a bunch of other health benefits too. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's medicine when used wisely. Which spice are you already using? And which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Cure with Food for more natural health tips every week. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video that could change your life.